Okay, let's see what idea should we use for our next video. Come on, Dean. Any idea? Why? Everything also no. Need to think about the idea. Okay, let's do. Okay, mental patient. Can we do something about mental patient?
Wait, boss. We have done this before.
How about scandal inside the wardrobe?
No. This one also.
Wow. I tell you what. Let's go smoke. Bye. Come on, James. Ding. Really no idea.
Oh, try to watch old videos and get some inspiration, bro. Think about it. For the baby.
I know already. I go back watch my old video, then I get inspiration from there. Good job, Huh? Maybe sometime we got to tomorrow is alright. More say to change. More space ref. Favorite song? Hey.
Here we go.
Come, smoke. Why to smoke? Confirm don't want or not?
Not healthy.
You passed the test ah! Do not smoke. Smoking is not good for your health. Even if people offer you a cigarette, you can say no. By the way, if you want to renovate your house, you can go to Renopedia.sg. From Renopedia.sg, you can find 5 to 8 interior designers. They'll give you the quotation. Then from them, you can find the best renovation quote for your home. And best still, you can win up to $50,000 worth of cash ah!
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.